Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Decepticon Jerry, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Studio Series 86 Voyager class Deluxe? Voyagers? I think they were Deluxes. I'm gonna go with Voyagers. I'm pretty sure they were sold as Voyager class. So anyway, here are the Studio Series Voyager class Ironhide and Ratchet. So, let's get to the review. So here we are. Let's start with Ironhide first. Let's take a look at him. And as you see, a pretty cool, awesome van. Very accurate to how he appeared in both the Generation 1 cartoon and movie. Now, yeah, I know what all of you are thinking now, and yeah, they forgot to draw the stripe, the yellow stripe that Ironhide has. They did it for his getting killed reissue. You know, the package where Ironhide was remolded to be, like he's getting killed, blast off. He comes with Prowl. You know, that release. I'm sure any of you are already aware. So yeah, they paint that release. They got that release right with the painted windows and the yellow stripes, but not in the regular version. Very strange decision. So anyway, you can see a lovely paint red. Yeah, he's mostly red. You got the silver for the front grille. The Autobahn insignia right there. You got these translucent windows, because why not? Then you got the grays, the silver for the rims, whatever. Black for the tires. Here's the back. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. And here's the front. Pretty awesome figure. I really like this one. And for the comparisons, here he is with Ratchet. And here he is with Brawn. Oh, okay, so it's time for us to talk about the accessories that he comes. You can see the store in the bottom, they work as exhaust pipes. Let's take a look at these guns. So yeah, pretty cool guns. I like the silver. Let's see if my camera can focus. There we go. Now we're focusing. You can see pretty cool details on the guns. I'm pretty sure that's how they look like in the movie and the cartoon. So here are both guns. So yeah, pretty cool. And now we already finished with the vehicle mode. Let's just get to the transformation, shall we? Now, to transform him, we're gonna take this front section, bring it down like that. We're gonna come back here and disattach these, bring this down. These windows will go inside there. Bring that down. Separate them. And all of that will become his feet. bring these pieces down to fill those gaps. Now, this is going to be pretty tricky because in my copy of Ironhide, these can be pretty hard to get out. So, again, pretty hard, but I'll see what I can do. They're coming out, they're coming out, they're coming out. There we go. They're out. So yeah, you're going to bring those pieces to the outside. Come back here. Now you're going to turn this full 180. And yeah, that all connects right there to become his torso. And yeah, bring these pieces down like so. And you're gonna come up here. I'm gonna raise my camera up. And you're going to take these. You're gonna bring this down. Bring the arms. Expand them. Connect them. Like that. Pop out the fists. Same thing to the other side. Come up, down, pop the fists. Angle them to the front. Yeah, you can sort of give Ironhide that G1 toy look. That's optional. That's optional, yeah. So anyway, you're gonna come back here. Now these pieces, you have these parts that'll go, we'll store it like that inside. Pop the head off. Pop the head off. Pop the head up. Bring this to the inside. And here you go, folks. There's the 86 Ironhide. And, oh, wait a second. I need to bring this down. Up. In robot mode. Now, this is an improvement of that god-awful Earthrise Ironhide in both quality, scale, and molding. Much more accurate, and it doesn't have that parts forming gimmick. I don't know if that Earthrise toy was trying to emulate the toy where you got parts form when it was a parts former or so also. But hey, this 86 version is an improvement. I'm not complaining. I love it. Now let's get to the details here. So you can have pretty awesome Ironhide noggin. So yeah, pretty accurate to how he appeared in the show and movie. And you got the legs. You got the kind of light gray in here. The translucent windows we talked about. And the arms, and I kind of like it that they fill these with these details. You know, just so they can give you any gaps. Sometimes I'm terrible at talking, so I apologize for my blooper speaking. Here's the side. Here's the back. Oh yeah, and you can store these. The guns. Like so. Yeah, you can store the guns there. That's how I usually store them because I like to partner my Ironhide with Smashdown, this hammer. Oh yeah, you can have Ironhide wielding his guns like that. Again, pretty cool. Now let's jump straight ahead into Ratchet. Now, let's check him out, shall we? So here's Ratchet. As you can see, he's Ironhide, just painted white, because he's now an ambulance. Again, you can see that he's all white, the same gray details you see in Ironhide. Again, just like Ironhide, this section where the red line should be, is all not painted. It's not red. Which is weird because that Earthrise release got this painted red. It got the red line. Why this one didn't have it is unclear. So yeah, basically the same what you saw in Ironhide. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. Here's the sides. And here's the front. So yeah, the same thing as Ironhide, and yeah, you can see the guns that stores in there. Again, same as Ironhide, and the transformation also. Oh, and I forgot to mention this, and the guns, they're blast compatible. So you're gonna have both Ratchet and Ironhide just blasting into space. Blasting into space. So yeah, they're blast compatible. I forgot to show that in Ironhide, but there you go. And for the comparisons, well, I already showed you Ironhide, so here he is with Brawn. That's pretty much it for the vehicle mode. So let's just get the transformation. And same as Ironhide, bring this down. Oh yeah, remove these. Come back here. Bring these to the back. Bring those windows down inside there. You're gonna come back here and bring that down. Disconnect. Separate, bring that down. Bring these down. Now this is gonna be kind of tricky, but I'll try my best. Give me a sec. Alright, I got them out. So, bring this to the side. You're gonna bring that and kind of and connect it to the leg right there. So you gotta say, so you gotta say, it's the same as the other side, just like that. Again, I apologize. I am pretty bad at speaking sometimes. Now, bring those arms to the front. Flip out the fist. Oh yeah, and try and flip that to the other side. There we go. See, it's all coming together to form this pretty good-looking robot mode. Yeah, do that with the fist. Reveal the head. Store this through the inside. And there you go. Here's the 86 Ratchet and robot mode. And just like Ironhide, I really like this robot mode. Very, very accurate to how he appeared in both the show and movie. I like all the white, the red, the translucent windows, maybe? Now, the only thing wrong here would be this, because initially Ratchet had, you know, the red cross, but they kind of changed that. I don't know why, but they did. But I'm not complaining. That kind of reminds me a lot of that. That kind of reminds me a lot of Baver's Ratchet, who has something very similar to that, I think. And the hat skull look is pretty cool. Very G1 accurate. I am not complaining about that. I love it. And you got red on the fist. Pretty cool. Very, very nice. Oh yeah, and articulation. Yeah, the arms can do full 360. They can go like that. And the legs can go like that. You got knee bend joint. And the head can go all the way around. Kind of it's same as Ironhide. Ironhide has all of that. I forgot to show that again. I apologize. I am still getting used to this YouTube stuff. And you can give Ratchet his guns. So he can blast away on those Decepticons. Again, shortly before he got killed. There you go. And for the comparisons, here's Ironhide with... Here's Ratchet with Ironhide. Oh, right. I have something even better. Here they are with Brawn. And why not? Here they are with Henry and Gordon. I don't know why this is such a fair comparison. Are we done? I'm gonna say so. So yeah, guys, that was my review for the Studio Series 86 Voyager class Ironhide Ratchet. And overall, pretty cool figures. I really like these toys. A huge improvement over their Earthrise counterparts. And I kind of wish that these were the Earthrise releases. Because, like I said before, Hasbro could have made a better job with those Earthrise retools. They could have done a better job. But these new molds are a huge improvement, and I really appreciate what they did with these two. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. So please like and subscribe because I really need some 100 views, because I really want to make a very special video to celebrate 100 subscribers. So please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with any friends, and yeah, so please do that. I really want to make something special once I hit 100 subscribers. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this review. And this is Decepticon Jerry saying, signing off.